Tatlong bilog na sa taas. Isang tuwil. Malito eh. Ang balay mo na kapatid dyan. Ang dami.
Pag sinalinan mo.
Ay. Yeah, it's the oldest. She was, ilang taon si Gugu? 42? Yes, she was 42-year-old. She was 1982. No, 1980. And I am 1988.
Oy, ate. Iyo ko natin yung mga ano, yung kumpi. Ano ba yan? Bakit ganyan? Kanino yung galing? Tingnan mo, galuin mo. Baka kaya ganyan lang yung yelo. Baka matanda. Ako yung fruit salad niyo, ubus na. Kasi hindi pa kinakain, baka mamaya masira.
Uy, kainin na yan. Masira yan. Akala na hindi masisira yung salad. Masisira na.
6 na araw na.
Mag-ano yan. Ano yung tawag maglaway?
6 na araw na.
Kainin nyo na yung live.
Kainin nyo na mamaya. Nag-iinom pa kasi yan, nag-ice, kaya siya yan, nag-ice. Boy?
Ganito. Ganito. Siyempre. Pero yung mata ko nandun sa kanya,
Matapos siya.
Sino mo, nagtawa sa taas. Hanggang dito yung balahibo niya, dami. Sa pusod. Sa gilid. Bita yung dyan niya.
Bigyan mo kinay ng sabon at saka tita-bibig.
Yeah. We are sister here.
Gawa yan ng ano-ano.
My workmate. Look, she was. Pressure. That's girl. She was my workmate, right? She was from Quezon. This one. Her sister, the one you told her eyes was Chinese. She was Chineta. You know Chineta, right? Same Chinese eyes. She was her sister. Look, not same piece, right? She was the sister of that. The one you told. Eileen, name Eileen.
Itapon mo na. Doon sa may bakery ng inay. Doon sa may ukay.
Ako, look.
Picture ka na doon.
Eileen.
Ano?
Oh, yeah. This one. She was sister din. Ako. Oh, look. This was Leo. This one, the one you told. She was the angel of the wings.
Ay, yung nakaraan.
Oh, si Leo.
Hello.
Also, the driver here is brother. Her brother with her driver. Look, we are 4 here. Look, my sister, she go in a score. Oh.
Yung pula, di ba
And
nakagayak